Wala bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, nani niyazi angihambi ngedwa. Ngihamba no?
Shapa fethu kunjani cameraman team mfokasi wala Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
Bafethu, on today's episode sikhuluma ngebafana. Hey bafana.
Happy.
Yeah bafethu, just like any other person wase South Africa, si happy kakhulu. We were not expecting ukuthi sesingaze siphume sidlulele ku next round, which is the last 32 at this point. Hayi bafethu, the sky is the limit.
Hayibo.
The limit angiboni ukuthi sky futhi manje. Hayi ukwakho lokho. Yeah. Bafethu will be just looking back kancane kule game edlulile and then bese singena ke kule esizoyidlala ngoba iCanada ngiyibona ibheka phezulu. Ubona kanjani wena?
Hawu, sidlulile sekula 16.
Yeah.
Sekula 16. Confidence is dangerous though. It's dangerous.
Yeah, true. It can work in your favor. It can also work against you. Yeah. If you are not going to understand the details. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the details. Win the game. Okay. Speaking of details, asibuyele kule game kancane. Sibone ukuthi mava ama details esawathatha lapha yasawenza kahle. Awusitshele futhi.
Hayibo. Now ivukile. But I'm just saying, I mean, ngicabanga ukuthi ngabona bafana ehlukile. At some point ngabona bafana that was hungry to qualify for the AFCON, that was hungry to qualify for the World Cup. You know, besidlala ngathi sifuna qualify for something, you know. And then coach ke sibonge ke eventually usilalelile say country as our assistant coach. But I mean, to be honest, the coach, a shout out to coach. It was good, and bafana mentality about changed. I think we're gaining confidence.
Yeah.
Confident. Because what I'm making from the first game, okay, fine, I'm defender money. Second game, we check we're coming from a goal behind, right? And to play 1-1. And then man, you say Abuya, in South Korea, bese ibambile. So based on that.
Yeah.
So I think confident wise with Simnand. I hope I'm gonna give a bad impact, got confident. So we're confident too much about career.
Yeah, I think usakhuluma nje ngathi also making input. One input nje yokuqala bafethu. Shout out to every South African bafethu wakwazi ukuvuka ngo3. Hey. On the 25th of June. Even worse because abantu bathi they got to see ama debit orders ephuma live while bezama celebrate. So they couldn't have handled both ukuthi we ibafani yadliwa nemali yahamba
ngaphosi phone le ngathi focus ebholeni abacede.
Yeah bafethu. So first one, shout out to everyone who woke up. I think everyone, it was like we felt it ukuthi South Africa will give us something. Secondly, good game sibonga ucoach ngokuthi asilalele, especially ngomfukeng bafethu. Singakukhuluma nje okuningi, especially ngomfukeng, especially ngoMahopa, because uReiners showed ukuthi akekho fit. Yes, we wanted to Reiners all along building towards the World Cup.
Yes.
But we could realize ukuthi lento ukuthi akadlali as often with Sundowns. Yes, affect. So we needed someone at least akasinika ama-goal but uyakwazi ukumaka mfethu. At the end of the day, somehow equality angeke siyimatch with these guys, but we were able to play off the ball because we had everyone and behind the ball.
Yes, which means every player Bafana that day.
Yeah. Shout out to Stole for making this thing. Uyabona makuthiwa umuntu uyakwazi ukuziredeema ayixolisele yena kwi-nation without saying a word.
He's forgiven now.
He's forgiven bafethu. Yeah. Okunye ke bhuti about South Africa nje sesikhuluma ngeSouth Africa in general because siyakwazi ukumention ama-stats afana nalawa because it shows ukuthi we believe in what we have. South Africa football wise, we are on another level to be honest. Yes, we don't have a lot of players are exported to play in these big leagues, but we believe in what we are building. Evidence yalokho it's the AFCON 2023.
Yeah.
Was it 2023?
Yeah.
Yeah. AFCON. We were beaten kuma semis. In fact, saphuma number 3 lapha ya.
Sabuya ne-bronze.
Exactly. Sabuya ne-bronze. That's something to take. Kule World Cup nakho manje kwenzeka izinto ezifana nalezi. How many players do we have abadlala kwi-league yethu la?
League local.
19 players
19.
who are coming from the PSL. Okunye-ke esikubonayo, especially with these European countries, you can tell ukuthi basebenzisa abadlali abaningi who are coming from Africa in terms of where they come from ngokwe-lineage, yabo. Tina, all our players were born in South Africa. That's something to be proud of, Bafwethu. That's something to be proud of, to be honest with you. Without talking about tactics and whatnot, that's something to be proud of. Yabo? Yeah. So zonke lezo zinto lezo, we cannot turn a blind eye on those things, because in South Africa it shows what we are believing in, what we are building as a nation. And shout out to these big teams. I'm also challenging Sundowns to also play more of players from South Africa. Homegrown is very important, because you can be as good as you are, but if you are not really supplying a national team with these players, it becomes a problem for us. Yes, before they had a lot of players, but now with these players about aging, we already want to see what is happening behind, so that for the next generation already we know what we are covered. Remember? So Kaizer Chiefs as well, even the small teams siyawabala in this local.
But I'm just glad. It means kuyakhomba ukuthi i-PSL league yethu lesi elamzansi, it's one of the best. Hence Umufukeng said it, mabambuza ukuthi no, I'm playing in one of the best league as well, you know.
True,
so
true.
iyakhomba ukuthi PSL yethu standard sethu, we're doing fine.
True.
Yeah,
yes, obviously there's still room for improvement when it comes to attack, especially. We can tell ukuthi kusekhona la fanele silungise khona, but you can only lungisa while you are moving towards the right direction, yabo. So lokho nje kukodwa kusenza sijabule bafowethu. Mangabe sicomparisha ngokwe Canada, yabona, with everything esengiyibalelo, sibale sesibuka ke game esizoyidlala eCanada. Mawucabanga ikuphi la ngokwe football, is it Canada is a football nation or?
Now, for me, I think I'm really confident as a, but for me, I feel like the Canada game is gonna be one of the easiest games we're supposed to win.
Yeah.
Because I don't believe we go to by 3-16. If South Korea squads the way Bambanje, and I'm sure Canada is even lower than South Korea. So now we're playing Canada. And I give it 3-16. So if we can play how we played Mkambe, composure, and how we could. Off the ball, it's Nandi coming to Canada. So Canada was one of the games and Cleveland was just winner easy, so black 16.
Yeah, maybe they still work to do.
Yeah,
but made it easy. Sengiyenza ukuthi
no, easiest games.
I think ngokwe quality compared to the teams esesidlale now.
Yeah.
I think it's more or less. Something I find is the Czech Republic, because the Czech Republic quality corner was even less, you know. So now, but I think for me, the only threat about now is the fact that they play pressing football. They press high. If you know how Liverpool used to play, now it's more like that. Usually under Jurgen Klopp, Liverpool used to press. Mane, Salah, they were pressing you to make those mistakes. Now, that's what basically they are. With that being said, thina sibacounterisha ngani konje? Asiqale nje emuva.
No, phela emuva thina si solid. Unombokazi. As much as they will press, unombokazi and a combination of Mbokazi no Eme. It's one of the best. Asikwazi ukuyibreak.
Yeah.
I hope akekho ozolimala kuphela World Cup. Abanye abadlali ebhentshini, opodlela abalungisa amapodlela ebhentshini. It's okay, but that combination baba,
true.
I don't see ukuthi khona mistake esingayenza kuleya combination, you know.
Yeah.
And bubuke ne game esidlale yona. I like the fact ukuthi uModiba beyangahambi, you know. There was no gap ebekhona go backline yethu. It was so nice. So hey, asambe Canada with the same mentality siyadlula.
Yeah. Iqiniso lelo Motau on the right.
Yes, Mudau. Bekahamba but not a
Yeah.
fool, you know.
Okunye nje uModau beumdau lo esimazi.
Yes, back on his form baba.
Ekugcineni kosuku I think it shows ukuthi kubaleke ngani ukubelievela in yourself. In as much as ungabukeka ngokwe-stage umncane kangakanani.
Yeah.
Kodwa if ubelievela in yourselves, these are the results. Because South Africa, that's why first game besikhala. Because we know very well ukuthi
These people are giving good mind.
That's true. Ezinye izinto esingayimention, there was one analyst engeke ngambuka and it clicked on me ukuthi we don't realize ukuthi right now we have got a best African team eqhamuka eSouth Africa.
South Africa.
We have got a team ethatha league eqhamuka eSouth Africa, regardless of ukuthi usupportani. Those two factors should tell you ukuthi winning mentality khona kule country, yabo. So izinto lezo if ubuka on paper engeke uzuchazeleke zona, because on paper sizotshela ukuthi udlalela iJuventus, udlalela iBayern. So therefore thina we are nothing. Mangabe sesimbheka ukuthi kuleyo Bayern udlalaphi, we realize ukuthi belimele
nabadlala ababewoni triple. Nabadlala ama-African champions.
All those things, it's just a coincidence. All those things zenzeka sidlala i-World Cup. And because akekho landela ibhola lase South Africa from laba bantu baphesheya, they wouldn't know that. Now Tina, for us, that's why sibone ngazuthi umvuzo of having a good foundation.
Yeah, but I feel like abona manje every team esodlala nayo is concerned about South Africa.
Exactly.
Bayas-googlish.
Everyone who says notice.
Bayas-googlish.
We've got their attention.
Trying to understand what, hey, this one.
Exactly.
So, and so Panisha, we're going to the last 16.
True.
With their Google, they're not going to work. It's late now.
That's true, my friend. Yeah. And we are expecting a lot of players abaqhamuka South Africa, right? Abadlala njengamanje ukuthi ama teams aphesheya maybe abanikeze yabo greener pastures, because we can see Mbokazi, we've hyped Mbokazi for a while and we were hyping him edlala for us. Now it's not even in our hands. Everyone can see for themselves. Ask MLS, they will tell you. They will tell you ukuthi umdlali ovotelwe odlula wonke umdlali ku All Stars okudlula uMessi uba. They will tell you. Even the other teams, they admire him around the MLS. I'm sure Mbokazi uMessi uyamazi uMbokazi. He wouldn't dare.
uMessi uzohlangana naye ku-final World Cup.
He's ambitious. Yeah. But for South Africa, moving into midfield, bafethu happiness bafethu ningadini. Yeah. We are not that more technical because we are that happy. Yes. But ke sizothatha lapho nalapho. Midfield bafethu. There is a player mina there is a player mina bafethu engibona ukuthi sonke yabona bakuthiwa umdlali bathu njani konje umuntu obukeleka phansi. Underdog. What?
Undermine.
Some undermine.
Underrated.
That guy, we should give that guy his flowers, bafethu. We should give that guy his flowers. Mina ngeke ngize ngiqambela manga.
No.
He's a different player under this new coach of Pirates. He was a different player kulo previous. Now he's a different. And okuwese ukuthi siyam undermine, even no coach abakwazi ukubona strength sakhe. Umbatha is a box to box. I will tell you now. If you don't believe in that, it's fine. It's your own baby to feed. Mina ngiyakutshela Umbatha is a box to box player. Umbatha, the only player we have in South Africa. I'm telling you the truth.
Okay.
The only player we have in South Africa owazi ukuba khona simaka, abe khona si attacker ngendlela efanayo Umbatha. That's why it was easy for us to link ne-midfield nabadlali aba-attacking for abo-Apolis. Yes, Apolis didn't have a good game. For Bomfukeng, bo Masego on the side. It was so easy because ibola we could win ibola. I-midfield njengokuba khona Gambata with whoever is playing with siyayewin i-battle kwi-midfield.
Yeah.
So that's why he's a box to box.
Now for me, we don't praise him enough.
Yeah.
And you would say people praise him with Stole, like you did.
True.
But for Stole to shine, Umbata was doing each job for Stole to be free and symbol and so can shine, you know. So it's that type of thing. But speaking of midfield, Mukwena is coming back to us.
Yeah, Mukwena is coming back bafowethu.
Since I
For me, Mina, I would say let's play Mukwena no Mbata.
Yeah.
Not because Mbata sengimpraise kakhulu, because now compare Mbata no Stole, who had a good game, it was Stole. But
because of Mbata.
Yabon, it's that details that engikhuluma ngawo enzekalayo enziwa uMbatha kodwa anganoticeki because njengamanje uzongena kwi-app ezokunikeza i-rate ithi uMbatha hayi uthola u-6.2 ithi usithole u-7.5 ngenza isibonelo.
Yeah.
Because when you rate bona bamrate ngokuthi udefendile kwi-important moment and what not kanti la sikhuluma thina ngomuntu oyi-link.
Yeah.
I-link
uMbatha.
I-link yenza izinto zibe lula for everyone without yona getting noticed. That's where the difference is.
No, I think I agree because Australia, as much as he had a good game, for me, I feel like at some point he can be a bit slow.
Yes.
So then you're going to link with relay. It gets to be difficult.
Exactly.
So if we keep eyeing, I feel like we can have something a proper for
true.
You know,
and you know, with our midfielders that we play, ehlukile with Umbata. Umbata akanqena ukuphuma just a little bit. I would say oppositional because ngidlala kwi-midfield fanele ngihleli ngila center. He would just drift a little bit. You can see umehluko ngalokho yabo because uyakwazi ukulinka with a winger ngaleso sikhathi yabo and open up space for a 10 to come back and receive the ball. Zonke lezo zinto, that's why sikhuluma nge-link. Yeah.
I feel like Gusto, not to take anything away, Gusto, he had a good game.
Exactly.
We appreciate it.
Yeah.
You know, but we must stand.
I lapho yaye without the same, because without the same.
We must stand.
True, bafethu. Bafethu. Nani-ke tell us on the comments bafethu ukuthi niyibone kanjani le game and also ikuphi la nibona khona ukuthi siyishaya khona eCanada. Obvious vele ngeconfidence esiyibhithile. Now sekufanele sikhulume ngento ezokwenzeka kwifield.
I don't know. Mhlawumbe is too ambitious, but Sunglass 16.
Siyawina la.
Sunglass. Sikhona ukuvuka ngo3.
True.
Besivukelani kanti? Ngo9.
Obunyeke just to add. Bebethi all Africans were not supporting South Africa. All of a sudden now they remember what we were coming from Africa.
Yes. They were saying they must pack their clothes. Yes, but first played to South Africa.
He said South Africa is the worst team to represent Africa.
Right
now, I think we were the second. In fact, we were second because Siyadlala as the second team yase Africa to qualify. That's why. Otherwise, we would have been the first because we were in Group A. By the virtue of being Group A, so our games are manning well up front.
Fast.
You can say technically we are the first, you know, to qualify. Yeah.
Yeah,
but see you on another one.